Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an MBS router gateway and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's a couple reasons you might want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If this gateway seems to be frozen or not responding or is not connecting to the internet or the devices you need it to, or just any issues that you need troubleshooting for that it's not working, and you've tried a soft restart and it didn't work, we might need to move on to the hard reset. Now this will wipe everything. It will restore the IP address to the default IP address and restore other defaults to their factory defaults. But if we want to do that, we can go ahead and do it because that might be actually what you want if you're trying to set this up as a new device somewhere. You will need a paperclip, and we're going to find the reset hole at the bottom. And so you're going to put your paperclip in the reset hole, and you're going to need to hold it for greater than 5 seconds. If you do it for less than 5 seconds, you'll end up just doing a forced restart on it, and everything will be left the same. But if we do it for over 5 seconds, we will get it to blink in green, at which point it is reset to its default settings.